How to treat acne at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to treat acne at home effectively. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or more persistent acne, we've got you covered with some proven tips and tricks. 1. Understanding acne types. Acne can be caused by a variety of factors, including excess oil production, clogged pores, bacteria, and inflammation. Before we dive into treatments, it's essential to understand what type of acne you're dealing with, whether it's blackheads, whiteheads, papules, pustules, or cysts. 2. Establishing a skincare routine. Building a consistent skincare routine is key. Start with a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Look for products with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, which can help unclog pores and reduce acne-causing bacteria. 3. Targeted treatments. For spot treatments, consider using a product with tea tree oil or sulfur, known for their antibacterial properties. Apply these directly to active breakouts to speed up healing. 4. Over-the-counter solutions. Over-the-counter products like benzoyl peroxide creams or salicylic acid gels can be effective for mild to moderate acne. Start with a lower strength and gradually increase as your skin tolerates it. 5. Natural remedies. If you prefer natural remedies, ingredients like aloe vera gel, honey, and green tea extract can soothe inflammation and promote healing. These can be applied as masks or spot treatments. 6. Lifestyle adjustments. Don't underestimate the power of lifestyle changes. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support clear skin. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, and try to manage stress through relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. Lastly, avoid picking or squeezing pimples, as this can worsen inflammation and lead to scarring. And remember, consistency is key. Give your skincare routine time to work before expecting instant results. We hope you found these tips helpful in achieving clearer, healthier skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and tricks.